We're continuing our journey with inspect, send, and sell. And in this video, we're going to talk about sending the inspection. So your technician has signed off and you've received a notification that the inspection completed. You're even going to see that this is now an orange DVI button. Great news for you. It is now ready for you to review and send to the customer. All you need to do is click that button or the button in the workflow. Either one will open up the DVI and we're ready to move to the next step. From inside of the DVI, you simply have to do a few basic things before sending this to the client. The first thing I like to do now is just click that send button up at the top right and then take a look at the preview to see how this is going to look for your client. And if there's any changes you want to make, go ahead and make those changes to the form. I'm going to go ahead and close the preview here. We're just going to go down and we're going to take a look at a few things on this inspection sheet. So we have this fluid, we have a few other notes. We can add things, we can change things, we can do whatever we need to. Maybe our technician typed a poor note, or maybe there's some other elements that we want to put in here. We can change those notes, and that's just fine. We do store the technician's original words. You're good to go. All you need to do to actually deliver this to the client, and please do this for every single inspection that's completed, is just hit that send button right here in the modal. When you hit send, this is going to go to both the phone number and the email that you have on record. You also do have some options when you're sending. You can go ahead and add another number with a comma, or same thing with the email. If you have a father or daughter's car scenario and you need to contact dad instead of the daughter, this is a great spot to be able to do that. If you ever had to, you could even send it to a mobile device of your choice and then show people in the lobby themselves. Perhaps they don't have a device. Either way, we have you covered. Make sure you do send every inspection that you can. That's a key point for the next phase, selling.